solving Facebook advertising enigma. Hey guys, in this particular video, we're going to be diving inside Facebook advertisement, so I need you to focus totally. This is one of the most important Facebook advertisement videos to ever come across in your online marketing career. So, if you want to do some other stuff like playing the mobile phone or checking your husband or wife, do stop that now. What I want you to do is grab a pen and paper and have 100% focus inside this video. Let us see the reasons and benefits of using Facebook advertisements. Facebook ads are used to increase your fan base, as already discussed, to promote your events like a marketing event, a launch, or whatever, for your brand exposure, especially for promoting a product or particular corporate, selling a product or services with external pages, also for targeted lead generations. Now, here are some Facebook advertisement tips. These are some generic tips which apply for any kind of Facebook advertisements. Tip number 1. Research Facebook interest. This is very important. Once you create an ad, Facebook helps you to research interest areas of your target market. This is similar to finding targeted keywords, but the advantage here is that Facebook do suggest you related interests. Always target bigger reach in order to minimize your Facebook advertisement cost. So the rule is that the more reach you have, the less you pay for your Facebook advertisement, which you'll see in the later video once you set up a live campaign. Tip number 2. In case of running a page like or promote your page advertisement, use "click like if you love" phrase. This is very similar to promoting any particular marketing or your own brand page. If you want people to like your page, being creative is unnecessary. Just use a simple phrase like "click like if you love pit bulls" or "click like if you love making money online." As simple as that. Let's go ahead. Tip number 3. Use ad images that pop. This is very important. I'm sure you have seen Facebook advertisements on the right side of your Facebook page or also in your news feeds. The first impression is the most important impression as a prospect, so the image must pop out. Use borders, headshots, and the lesser text, the better it is for you. Tip number 4. Model after the ads you like. I used to do when I started in Facebook marketing the good advertisement, all the pictures, all the good contain, all the headline, which is you to see. I always keep to see, be ready all the same, so you can once you do your advertisement, if you follow 100 to 100 advertisement, and if you know to stop nurturing those ads in your mind. Now, once you set up your own advertisements, they always appear in your mind, and you can set it or model your advertisement after them, or you can go to a library and always search or look after those ads and kind of set it after that. Anya Kanu? Tip number 5. Test small. Now remember, once you set up a Facebook advertisement, even if how ninja you are or how cool you are as a marketer, you need to test the advertisement. This is because you're going to have a different target market, different spinner, different image, so always test small. Start with a budget of $5 per day because it will do less and it's cheap. The more money you give, the more Facebook consumes. So if you give Facebook $500 a day, it just spends and consumes all of it in one day and just giving you a higher reach. But once you give them lesser amount of money, Facebook will be very choosy in showing your ad to people. You can also test 5 or 6 different kind of images with different kind of text and headlines to see which one is performing better. Next is tip number 6. Pause losers, scale winners. If you run 5 to 6 ads simultaneously, test them and see which ones are performing well and the ones that are not. Pause the ones which are not doing well or tweak them, and always scale up the winners. You can go up to $20 to $50 per day if they are doing good and if they are giving a good ROI to you. Now, as I told you, when you create an image, always have a clear headshot and try to have a border to make the image pop out. Here's an example which I did for one of my products. So you can see a nice image with a very little text. Then I have a nice border over here, so it kind of pops out once the ad runs. Here's the thing. If you are a marketer who is just getting started and all excited, always be honest in Facebook advertisement, because marketing is all about honesty and sincerity. It is not about faking things. So if you're using an image or a headshot, use your own image, because two things are going to happen. Number one, you're going to build the trust factor, because when someone clicks the image and Googles your sales page and sees your video, they would immediately think, oh my God, this person is the real deal. He is a real person. Number two, it is also building a brand image. Select a picture that can give a story, which can give an impact to your audience. Trust is also built up between you and your audience. Try to give pictures which are showing your happiness, laughter, or enjoyment. No one likes to see a grumpy face because who wants that? So try to give pictures which kind of show a positive attitude and creates a positive resonance. I believe you got the idea, guys. Moving forward, let's discuss the 3 different kinds of Facebook advertisements. Number 1, promoted post ads or boost post ads. Number 2, promote your page ad or page-like advertisement. And number 3, send people to your website ad, or which was previously known as the external pages ad. First, the promoted post ad is a very focused strategy. It is used to promote a status update on your wall or turning that status into an actual ad. Once you see a particular post doing well, getting likes, comments, and getting a viral effect, you can of course promote that particular post to get more likes and exposure. Your brand image will also get built up. Plus, what happens once you promote a boost post ad? It secretly puts some kind of link for your sales or capture page. It automatically includes the like, share, and comment buttons, which is nice. And the best part is, it's super duper easy to set up. If you have never done any Facebook advertisement before, or you feel kind of scared, try this, guys. It doesn't require any kind of copywriting skills. Nothing is really required. Just follow the steps and you can be setting up your first Facebook boost post ad. Let me quickly go inside one of my fan pages and let me show you how to do that. So here you can choose a post you want to boost. Just click the boost button over here. Then Facebook will ask you what type of audience you want your post to be shown. This is great, especially if you have a small number of fans. So what I can do is select an audience here to reach a bigger number of people who can see this ad. You can also edit the location. Once I do that, we can immediately see that my reach has increased. If you are someone who is just getting started and still doesn't have any kind of likes in your Facebook fan page, you can also select people you choose through targeting. In here, you can edit your audience so you can target specific people. You can add the countries you like here, what age range, their gender, and interests. You can see that Facebook automatically gives suggestions while you are typing. Then click Save, and that's how easy it is. So here's the recap. You can either select the people who like my page or the people who like your page and their friends. You can also choose the duration of the ad and your payment method and all the good stuff. Then they will show you how your ad is going to appear both in the desktop and mobile newsfeed. The like, comment, and share button is going to appear below it too. I believe that this is enough to give you the understanding about boost post ads and how they are going to work for you. So guys, nothing difficult over here. Just try to do your fast boost post ads and send a testimonial of yours. You're ready for that. I believe you are now really enjoying this topic, and I'll see you in the next video.